how's it going, everyone? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm going to be taking a look at these jack point adapters. These are for vehicles such as BMWs that have special jack points, and I have a 2024 Supra which has a similar jack point as what those BMWs have. And so I was needing to do a little bit of work on the vehicle and get a wheel off, and I noticed that under the vehicle there's no jack rail to put a floor jack on. They just have those special jack points. And so I'll give you a closer look at what one of those are. But basically you'll have this on your floor jack and it'll go up into the receiver housing of that jack point, and then it'll allow you to lift the car safely without doing any damage to the underside of your car. So let's go ahead and take a look at the jack point on this car. Okay, so here is a little bit better look at the jack point on my car. And as you can see under here, there's really no good place to put a floor jack without doing damage to under parts of the body. So that's why the manufacturer designed these specific jack points for lifting the car. But in order to not chew these up with my floor jack, I decided that it'd be a good idea to have these rubberized jack pucks to go in there. And so you can see there's a little bit of a cutout here, and that's where this bar area will recess into. And basically it fits the jack point just like that. So now I can take my floor jack and put it under here and lift the car without doing any damage to anything. So let's try that. Okay, so I have my jack puck adapter here on top of my floor jack, and it's lined up with the adapter location on the vehicle. So now I can just go ahead and start lifting the vehicle like that. As you can see, it made contact and now it's lifting the car. All right, so there we go. I was able to get the car up off the ground and the tire off the ground, so now I can get the wheel off. So that was actually a really good little tool to have. So if you're in the market for some jack point adapters, check these out.